We're saddened because, of course, Pride PH has been supporting lots of efforts and initiatives for prides all around the country. For the past 2 years, actually, we've been in contact with the Metro Manila Pride and has been providing, they've been part of the local Pride Support Fund of One Pride PH. So kasama po kami ang Pride PH sa naging bahagi ng mga nakaraang 2 taon ng Metro Manila Pride. And we're proud to have this relationship with different local Pride organizers in the country. Moving forward, we'll definitely reach out again to Metro Manila Pride. Nag-release po kasi tayo ng call for local prides this year na maaaring sumabay sa June 22 at ito po yung naging main list natin for the One Pride PH. And moving forward, we're also gonna find additional fund for the different Pride events all around the country. So yun naman po yung hangarin ng Pride PH, na mas marami at mas masaya at mas maligalig ang napakaraming Pride celebrations and protests all around the country. But for now, ito po yung running list namin, yung kanina, the 11, as part of the One Pride.